Well, dog, I've been looking at you for years, right? I've seen you numerous of times saying that pretty much in my term, drunkard spirit, they're on your bad mind spirit, they're on your envious spirit, they're on you. And you come out, world dog, and you say one woman look a flyer up. First of all, she's not even in your league. She not in your lane. She not in your caliber. She not in none of that shit. But yet, you come out and basically as a businessman, what you did was you try to shrink her business. But what I'm saying is, nobody not say nothing when y'all floss by your people them. Nobody not say nothing when y'all come out by your people them. And you know what I'm saying, the whole 9 yards of how you behave on social media, right? And for you to see a woman like that, and you must know all the things them and the negative things them will come around our name all the while. You and her should have something in common. Excuse me. As far as drunkard spirit and bad mind spirit go. But yet you come out. Either you didn't have shit to do, or you never have nothing to talk about. World dog, if a woman or a man come out and support you, see, uno too busy pan people who support uno, rate uno, or share uno out, you know. And at this here Jamaican diaspora, like y'all too good for something. But what I'm telling you is, that was f***ed up what you did. And it make you look a certain way. And to hear all the people when they talk sometimes and to see what you have done, nobody have no choice but to believe those people. Uno go understand later on in a life set, uno can't bring down nobody at all. You know what's gonna cramp your style, world dog? For you to sit down back, because you have your reflection days where you sit down and you have a reflect, because I see that shit. You have reflex, or you reflect, right? You reflect back on a lot of things, and I see you. And for you to do this, it seems like you was hungry or something. Y'all cannot bring down what is not in y'all league. And y'all can't bring down nothing that was placed in the front of people's eyes by God. You see, where you are got track, it's the same thing when you do what you do to people, but you're already immune to that, right? And it don't look good. Then you got these girls in your comments. Sometimes at them I go ruin you, because instead of you tell them for cool out and chill, X that out. You understand? A your fault. Make she come pan TikTok and say what she have to say. On a can't water her down, no dear, no time at all. No time. No time at all y'all can't water her down. Because it's many times, and I'm going to take this time out, even if I go back in on my break late, I'm going to tell y'all something. Each one of uno that do the same stuff to this woman, y'all have something else coming. Number one, she don't react like that. It's not like she don't hold nothing back. If you do something good, she celebrate it. You understand? And I see her do this to many, many people. And those are people like that, world dog. See, y'all are being controlled on the internet. Y'all good on the internet, but in real life, y'all not really good like that. Because if y'all was, y'all would be doing things differently. I'm not a part of no fucking social media. So I'm going to come out and I'm going to say what I want to say and don't give a shit, because I understand the game that y'all are playing. Instead of you look and do something else that is in your caliber, your class, you take all the way and come mind the woman business. You don't look good for that. You would never look good for that. Because you ball and say the same thing. So people have drunkard spirit and bad mind spirit towards you. Instead of you learning something from those people that have done that to you, exactly what you did, it's like they leave off a bag of that for you to carry on with. That's not cool. She not in the argument them where you in every day. She's not into it. You have to find your league and stay in that. I wouldn't come over there and see you when you driving your new car them and say, boy, you know, I think World Dog pay too much for that car there, you know. I think him pay too much for that chain the way him have on, the Cuban link the way him have on, you know. I think that he pay too much for the ring them way him have on pan him finger them, you know. Too much for him ring them way him have on pan him finger them. No fucking body do that to you. And none of them casket dolly gal there, what me sitting in the comments that's trying to disrespect her and things like that, could never amount up because they have a lot of shit to learn. It would have been best if when you pull up on her, because I know you saw her live on TikTok, you would have just sit there and humble yourself. Stop trying to shrink business, people business when you're a fucking businessman yourself. Stop it. Do you feel bad when you go down her page, that businesswoman page, and see that she share you in a higher light than a lower light? Do that shit to people that done that shit to you. You can't sit out here and do things that people do to you, to others, and not to the ones who do it to you. That's bullshit. That's not what you do over here in these fucking foreign places. If her ticket costs $500, there's many people like myself will get it. If I can't go, somebody else is going. No problem. The way how you flex on social media, we would never think that you would come out like this. A fucking price, $150? That ain't nothing. Listen, it's best if y'all have a list of who y'all wants to follow y'all and all of these type of things. Because basically what y'all telling people that have good heart and shit like that, and when they see you, Word Dog, going through what you going through, people like me, I'm like, damn. Because I've been watching you for a long time, man. This ain't no diss to you or none of that shit right here, but you can't water her down, yo. That's our auntie and you can't water her down. Should never do that to you yet. Many things that y'all have done on social media, she don't do that shit to y'all. Everywhere your blood clog, or even the girl with a gap between her teeth will look like a field goal. Where you come from with ponytails? You don't make no sense. Y'all over here, or y'all ain't never been over here and don't know the fucking ruling towards, you know what I'm saying, like what's really going on in America. Half of y'all, listen, if they run down, half of y'all ain't legit like that, bro. And some are only with their Jamaica ease back because y'all ain't never been on the American soil to know. Y'all tell people what y'all want them to know. What is the real of the real? One man ate upon you when your store open and many others. You don't see how I do that to you. You don't see other people do that to you. But you know who have done that to you, bro. You got to clean up in front of that, dog. Once you say that you're a business person, I'm a business person, he a business person, she a business person. Yo, it's certain things that you ought to understand, yo. Certain things should stick like grits. When they f***ing shut down TikTok and stuff like that, bro, it's a lot with TikTok. Y'all ain't know? We ain't worried, dog. If her ticket costs $1,000, that's her business, and the people that choose to pay that, their business. Not yours or none of your homeboys or none of your homegirl business, bruh. That's one woman like yourself that's doing something. Nobody can tell her nothing when to come out here. So leave her, bro. Leave her tickets. The stuff them in your store, them cost that much? You don't hear nobody saying nothing? God damn, World Dog. This right here, this merchandise right here costs too much. Really? And we in America? I did not do that to you, man. May God be with you on all your blessings, bro. And don't slap it out of your own mouth by that you choose to do. Once you're a business owner, you must think like a business owner all day long. Everybody out here that wanna see, that ain't flossing, that ain't doing what y'all doing in the eyes, you know what I'm saying? Like y'all, that don't mean that we don't have shit. I have a hefty 401k and all that extra good credit, A1 credit. I ain't gotta really spend up money like that. The people them trust we and we trust she. And we will support her until the day the wheels fall off. And ain't no wheels fall off. Because it's a difference when you going with the man upstairs than when y'all going around and doing a bunch of shit that people don't know of. Now, none of them can't talk to me because my eyes is open, baby. I see a whole lot in my Jamaican community. I don't say nothing about my business. Treat others as you would yourself. I'm out on folks.